Alright, let's start your garden. First of all, it is important to consider the light that your garden receives. And choose plants that are suitable for it. Now, let's prepare the soil. Loosen it up with a fork or tiller, about a foot deep. Add some compost to make it rich and healthy. There are two types of planting: by seeds or in the form of nursery plants. Care must be taken when planting seedlings. Be more careful when watering. Apply mulch to maintain moisture and control weeds. To prevent pests and diseases, use organic pesticides. Rotate your crop every year to keep the soil healthy. Follow these tips and you will have a beautiful and healthy garden.